Hello traders, welcome to another edition of the Trader's Guide. Today we have an exciting topic for you, the Bank Nifty. Expiry view and discovering. Key levels to focus on for profitable trades. I am Jagadish Chandran, and I will be your guide in this analysis.
If you have been finding our
Analysis valuable, and if it has been helping you in your trading and investment decisions, please show your support by hitting the like button, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more market insights. Your feedback is highly appreciated. Now, let's dive into the Bank Nifty expiry view. As you know, the Bank Nifty is an important index that reflects the performance of the banking sector in the stock market. It plays a crucial role in determining the overall market sentiment. In this video, we will be focusing on discovering key levels that can help us make profitable trades. Identifying these levels can provide us with valuable insights into market trends and potential opportunities. Remember, successful trading requires careful analysis and a deep understanding of market dynamics. By focusing on these key levels, we can better navigate through volatile market conditions and make informed decisions. So, stay tuned as we explore the Bank Nifty expiry view and uncover the key levels that can potentially lead us to profitable trades. Remember to hit the like button, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more market insights. Happy investing and safe trading. Take care.